So now that we know how to add material to Google Classroom via the classwork page, let's look at how we interact most of the time with the students, and that's going to be via the stream. So click Stream, and as I mentioned before, you have a class code. You can select a theme for your class. Google has many options. As this is an online language course, this looks like a good one, and it updates it. You can also choose to upload a photo if you wish as your theme. From here you can make announcements. When you post something to classwork like an assignment or a question, this will also create an automatic announcement in the stream. Let's click here to make an announcement. Hi there, welcome to the IELTS course. Let me know if you have any questions about using Google Classroom. Talk soon. Now I can add anything. I can add something from my Google Drive, I could add a link, I could add a YouTube video and upload something from my computer. And I can also then choose to schedule this so that it doesn't go out right away. So I can schedule it by date and time. Sometimes maybe you want to do that so the student maybe gets it 30 minutes before the first class. I'm not going to schedule this one. I'm going to go ahead and post it right away. And if we just jump over to the student-facing side and go to Stream, we will see when the browser updates itself, we can see here Stream was updated and I can click to show. Of course, I could just refresh, but let's just click from the Google Classroom option here, show. And hi there, welcome to the IELTS course. Let me know if you have any questions using Google Classroom. My announcement which I just made. What this shows us is that Google Classroom is refreshing in real time, so it is quite a dynamic app as well. And that's it. You've reached the end of this video e-learning course. Please, if you have any doubts, go back and watch any of the videos, and when you're ready, you can proceed to the assignment videos. Thank you for watching this video e-learning course. If you find it helpful, please do like, share, and hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. It really helps things to grow. Thank you very much.